Paula's Choice BHA Liquid Exfoliant is a cult favourite among skincare enthusiasts, and for good reason. It contains salicylic acid, a beta-hydroxy acid, otherwise known as a BHA, that offers a range of benefits for the skin. In this video, I will be sharing with you the benefits of this lotion, how to use the product, including the do's and the don'ts. If you're new here, we post skin education and skincare reviews on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to avoid missing any videos. Paula's Choice BHA Liquid Exfoliant contains 2% salicylic acid. It has a fluid, lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. It is a leave-on product. But what is salicylic acid and how does it work within the skin? Salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid, otherwise known as a BHA. Salicylic acid is a perfect skin ingredient for oily skin types who struggle with blackheads, blemishes, or acne due to the fact that it can penetrate through the lipid layers and work from the inside out. Salicylic acid exfoliates the skin by dissolving the bonds that hold the dead skin cells to the skin surface. It is oil soluble, so it is able to penetrate the pore and exfoliate deeper within the skin. It also helps stimulate cell turnover and improve the skin texture whilst regulating excess oil production. Salicylic acid is suitable for any type of breakout, blackheads, milia, and keratosis pilaris. In addition, salicylic acid's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help fight inflammation and discoloration in the skin. The Paula's Choice BHA Liquid Exfoliant also contains green tea extract to help alleviate redness and reduce inflammation. How to use the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. First, start by cleansing your face thoroughly with a gentle cleanser and patting dry. Make sure your skin is clean and free of any makeup or dirt. Number 2, apply the exfoliant by taking a small amount of the liquid exfoliant onto your fingertips and apply it to areas of concern like the T-zone, or you can use it all over the face, but avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for a few minutes, allowing the exfoliant to absorb. After the exfoliant has been absorbed into the skin, follow with moisturizer and sunscreen if you are using it in the morning. Paula's Choice recommends you use the liquid exfoliant daily. However, unless you have acne, you only need to exfoliate 2 times per week. It will depend on your skin type and your concerns. Exfoliating too often can lead to an impaired skin barrier, which causes more skin problems down the track. Always patch test prior to using the product directly on your face. If you experience slight tingling for a short period after applying, this is completely normal, as salicylic acid is a chemical exfoliant that works like a Pac-Man effect on the skin. However, it should not burn. If this occurs, stop use and do not apply to broken skin. What to avoid using with Paula's Choice BHA Liquid Exfoliant. Do not use other exfoliants such as scrubs or other acids in conjunction with Paula's Choice BHA Liquid Exfoliant. This can lead to over-exfoliation and irritate your skin. Retinols or retinoids. So retinoids and salicylic acid can be too harsh on the skin when used together. If you use a retinol or a retinoid, use it in the evening and use Paula's Choice BHA Liquid Exfoliant in the morning or on a separate day. And finally, benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid can cancel each other out. How long does it take to see results? Generally, you should start seeing an improvement within 4 to 6 weeks after using salicylic acid in your routine. However, this depends on the quality of salicylic acid within the skincare product and the other products you are also using in conjunction. Now, if you're interested in learning about the causes of acne, check out this video here next.